Hello guys, welcome to another fresh video. Today, we are diving into the world of AI art generation with the Lexica AI Art Generator. Let's explore why this tool has become so popular in 2024. What is Lexica AI Art Generator? The Lexica AI Art Generator is an innovative tool that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to create stunning images. With features like Aperture V4 and unique effects such as the shattered mirror effect, users can easily generate a wide range of high-quality images, including clip art. Why is Lexica AI Art Generator popular in 2024? In 2024, the Lexica AI Art Generator has gained immense popularity for several reasons. Firstly, its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to both beginners and experienced artists. Secondly, the tool offers a range of subscription plans, such as the $10 monthly plan that allows for commercial use of up to 800 images. Benefits of using Lexica AI Art Generator. Using the Lexica AI Art Generator comes with numerous benefits. It enables users to unleash their creativity and generate unique images quickly and effortlessly. The tool's advanced AI technology ensures high-quality results, making it a favorite among artists, designers, and content creators. S0 How you can easily use Lexica AI Art Generator for your project? Graphic designers, and video editors can greatly benefit from the Lexica AI Art Generator in 2024 due to its advanced features and user-friendly interface. This tool offers a seamless experience for creating high-quality images, clip art, and graphics, making it a valuable asset for professionals in these fields. Graphic designers can leverage the Lexica AI Art Generator to streamline their design process and create visually appealing graphics efficiently. The tool's unique effects, like the shattered mirror effect, provide designers with creative options to enhance their designs. With the ability to generate a wide range of images, graphic designers can find inspiration and material for their projects, saving time and effort in the design phase. Designers across various industries can find the Lexica AI Art Generator beneficial for creating custom visuals and artwork. Whether designing for websites, marketing materials, or products, this tool offers a diverse range of image generation capabilities. The tool's subscription plans, such as the $10 monthly plan allowing for commercial use of up to 800 images, make it cost-effective for designers to access a large library of images for their projects. Video editors can use the Lexica AI Art Generator to enhance their video projects with custom graphics and visual elements. By creating unique images through the tool, video editors can add a personalized touch to their videos, making them more engaging and professional. The tool's compatibility with video editing software and its ease of use make it a valuable resource for video editors looking to incorporate AI-generated visuals seamlessly into their projects. In 2024, the Lexica AI Art Generator serves as a versatile tool that empowers graphic designers, and video editors to elevate their work with AI-generated images, clip art, and graphics, ultimately enhancing the quality and creativity of their projects. The Lexica AI Art Generator stands out as a top choice for those seeking to create captivating images with ease. Its popularity in 2024 is a testament to its effectiveness and appeal in the ever-evolving world of digital art. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content.